We also need to remove our plastic covers up here. Now, these are 10mm quarter turn nuts, so you can go ahead and just take a socket or a wrench and quarter turn each one of those. Now, a couple of cautions here really quick. You've got a plastic rivet over here on this side that you're going to pick the center pin out and then pull the rivet out, and you'll have one on each side as well. Now, also, as you can tell, you've got your positive battery post here too. So what I usually will do is I'll put a rubber glove or something similar over the top of that, because as we move our carbon strut or you're moving tools around, you wouldn't want to touch that. That would be a huge drag. Okay, so go ahead and take these plastic rivets out, quarter turn these covers, take them both off, set them aside. Then we're going to take our carbon strut bar off next. Okay, all right, so now we want to take our carbon strut bar off. Now, always treat this with respect. This is not a cheap part, but it's easy to get off. What you'll have is you'll have 13mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2 in the front. Now, here's the interesting thing to note. This is an M4 convertible, and in every F80 and F82 example I've ever seen, I've had 2 bolts back here instead of 3. So this may be a feature of it being the M4 Cabriolet, who knows? But you've got, in this case, 3 long bolts in the back on each side and 2 short here in the front. So go ahead and take all of those out. You also have a 10mm bolt right here that attaches the reservoir to your carbon strut bar. So if you take all of those out, you can feed the strut bar out. Now what I usually will do is this rubber grommet on this side is pinned down. But if you take this and you lift on the left side and just feed it out of the right side, you don't have to worry about moving that rubber grommet or dealing with that at all. But take all these bolts out, make sure that the short ones go back into the front when we put this back together, okay? But go ahead and take all those out and take your strut bar out next.